Hey, what's up everybody? Colin and I are out here at the Yas Marina circuit. We're here for the Emirates Drift Championship Round 2. We went to Round 1 a couple weeks ago, had a lot of fun, so I figured this time I'd kind of get you guys some clips and enjoy.
Warrior.
Hey, what's up everybody? So we are enjoying the Emirates Drift Championships. Obviously I hope you guys have been seeing all the clips. We were able to get I was able to get my GoPro Ala Kamaz, if I pronounced that correctly. Anyways, I'll put his Instagram handle in the description below. But he was super nice, and he drives a 1JZ E30 that's rocket bunnied. He let me put my GoPro on the back of his car during all of his runs. So huge shout out to him. And then right now they're getting ready to do top 4. So Nick Solomon and I don't know the other driver's name, and a ZL1 Camaro are gonna run for 3rd and 4th. And then Sultan and I don't know who he's going up against are going to run 1st and 2nd, so we'll see how the championship goes. right, everyone, so I hope you liked the video. I know the intro and kind of the talking points were a little here and there. That was actually the first time I had really used any of my video equipment to try and record like an episode or things like that. So I didn't really know what I was doing, and I was kind of embarrassed being in public recording. But either way, we still had a blast at Emirates Drift Championship Round 2. If I'm ever back in like the UAE, I definitely want to go. Huge shout out to Kamazi, that's his Instagram name. So I'm going to put his Instagram in the description below for letting us strap a GoPro to his car. We really appreciated that. Again, I hope you guys liked it. I know I wish I would have shot more in different angles and things like that, looking back at it. But it was still a big blast to go to it, and I highly recommend it if you guys are ever in that area, or honestly, just like go check out a local drift event whenever things start opening back up again. Like, that was my first one. Well, round 1 was my first one I've ever gone to, and I had a blast. Like, it was different than just seeing like drifting out at like a car show or something like that. So again, I highly recommend it if you ever, you know, can find a drift area in your event. Just go check it out. You will have a blast, even if, you know, there's not a whole lot of cars or it's not super long. Like, you're gonna just love it if you're a car enthusiast. But anyways, so if you like the video, you know, like, subscribe, drop a comment below. We're gonna always be continuing to find things to do with the cars or events to attend. So until then, we'll catch you next time.